For example, we have the social tax, which first of all, the first thing to do first is obviously to connect your account. Obviously, my account is connected. As you can see, I connected with wallet, and my Zili also is connected. So your Zili is where you're going to be putting your daily expos whenever you make this in a dex using Enso shortcut. So Enso is all about designing dexes without the need of actually coding them. So it's just like you have an idea, you have a name of your dex, you have the URL of your dex or what you want it to look like. Then you just put the icon there. Maybe you have one favorite icon of yours. You put the icon there as it will show in the browser, and that's all you need to do. Enzo does the rest. It integrates its own API with your idea basically and brings your decks to life. So that's basically about what Enzo does. So now we go to the social tags, of course, as you first start off, and you follow them on X, follow them on Discord, and post about Enzo. You do everything here. Then the Nitro Sensei is about creating a shortcut speedrun video tutorial like what I'm doing right now, and creating a thread about Enso basically. That one is what you post on your X. Now please note, when you do all these social tags, make sure they are they are related, or you post them on your social media handles that are connected to your Zilly account. That's the only way they can credit you, or that's the only way they know that you're not a bot or you're trying to copy off someone's work. You make sure that it's connected to your Zilli account. If you are like me that has 2x account, the one that is connected to your Zilli account is what you have to use, not any other one. So please take note of that. So we have the Tokyo Drifter rule, so which is to share your DeFi app on X daily, which you always have to do after you create your Dex daily and this index daily. So you click on this to share your DeFi app, or I can show you another way to do it. So that's all about social. So when we go to social, we have AI currently under maintenance. I would love to check it out. I just will be opening soon. Then now, when you're done, you will go to this place, and now these are their apps basically, or these are programs or protocols that are powered by Enzo. That means they have Enzo underneath their working their working principle. So we have Baker DAO, we have all these Beradum, and as you can see, they are up to seven pages. They are up to 7 pages of websites which you can check from, all powered by Enso. So yeah, to see that Enso is really doing a very great job here. Then we have supported protocols, so which is Bex, Berachain's native DEX. We have Zero Length. We have all these that support Enso, or that use Enso in a form of way, sort of. So yeah, so basically Enso is really really good, and you can go to their websites to get 10 knots per website. All these websites here, if you visit all of them, you get 10 per visit. So basically, if you visit everyone there, we have up to like what, 8, you get 80 NOS points, which will be seen, which is seen here basically. So yeah, so now on to the main task of the day, which is creating your DeFi app. So you go to this, you select it. So now you name your app. I can decide to name it Pelumi's Pelumi's Pelumi Hub Dex. You can Hub Dex, then create your custom subdomain, how you want it to look like. Something definitely. We have Pelumi Dex. You can just say each. Basically, I'm just playing around. So now you can put your Twitter handle, maybe what you want them to reach out to if they have any problem or the rest. Then select your profile logo. Of course, you can create a custom logo, but make sure it does not pass the 5 MB limit. So I'll just use one of their set logos. So you click that I am human. So basically you just want to just recapture that needs refilling to work. So that this is schedules that need refilling to work, although the capture is going to be always different. So that's one thing. So now you click on this, then click on submit. and you wait a bit depending on your network. Good. So I've officially created our decks, or I've officially created my deck. So now I can open it to see how it looks like. Of course, now if you see this, the subdomain is what I used today. That's what it brought out. The subdomain that I created for it, that's what it brought out for me, which is just perfect. Just perfect. I needed that. So as you can see, powered by Enso. So subdomain there, the name Pelumi Hubdex. The name, you can see that Enso just makes it easier. Even down to the icon is what you created for the icon. Even here too, it's just that easy. You can create your own native decks. Or you can create your own decks powered by Enso. You don't need any design. Just think of a name that you want, a catchy name, a name that will catch people's attention, then create it. So now is in you've seen how it works. Now is not enough that we do this. Now we have to also make sure we post on X. So after you create your decks, you make sure you click this X icon. Make sure your X account is connected to it so that it can work through your Zilly account. So now I'll just wait for it to load up, load up. So this is what you do per day. After you create your 5 decks, you choose one of them, post it on your X, then you copy the link to that post so that you can submit in Zilly for 500 NOS per day. So do we understand that? So let's see. So now I've created it. Now I posted it. So now this is what you do. Then you go here, copy the link. Now you can close this page. Then you click on this by so you click on this. So this will take you to Zilly's page for Enso. So now know that you have to post this every day. After you create your 5 decks, make sure you post one of them on your X and send it to Zilly for confirmation so that you can get 500 NOS points. It's very important. So now, as you can see, I do this and I click on clean. And with that done, I've basically done it. So yeah, now you can see other quests are here for you to do. Create a video about them. So with like what I'm doing, create a blog. I think this blog should be on Medium, or I think it's on Medium. Yeah, the blog should be on Medium. Yes, use Medium to write the blog about Enso. Basically, you can go to their documents and read a bit about Enso and try to, from your own understanding, try to post a blog about them, about what they do and the rest, So definitely it will really be helpful. So I think that's it. So if you're a newbie, just make sure you check all this. You can invite 2 friends daily. Not too bad, I don't have up to 2 friends. Oh, that's my bad. So sometimes, so that's basically it. And with that, you are good to go, and you're good to go for Enso. So I wish you guys the best. Enso, I really, really believe in Enso. I believe that Enso has created a good tech which makes us consumers to be able to create decks without even needing to actually code it, which is actually mind blowing. I can just wake up one morning, create a dex, post it that, oh, you guys come and swap your tokens on my native dex. It's really empowering, and it's really consumer focused. Bringing a power to us. So definitely to be a very nice one if you are able to if you are able to utilize Enso. Of course, yes, the end product is to also get a slice of the airdrop, but it's also to actually enjoy what some protocols in Web3 are actually building. They're actually building products that people can actually use. So yeah, so that's all about the tutorial on Enso, and I wish you guys, of course, when you do that, it will obviously add to it, and you can see that it means it's also put for more. But it means for more for me. Exactly, it means for more for me. So I'll do that later in the day. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Catch you guys later.